Okay, the next tool is called the lasso tool. And the lasso tool is a selection tool that allows you to freehand select. So we can just click and drag around these folks right here. And one of them, and then you'll see a pretty rough selection. We can go back to our move tool and we can actually just cut them straight out and then move them around. Okay. All right, let's zoom out. Next, we have the polygonal lasso tool. And this is what is the freehand, more or less, selection tool. And instead of you have anchor point, and by clicking, we are creating an anchor point, and then I'm going to pull out of my selection tool, click again to make another anchor point, click again, make another anchor point. Keep doing that, and then we can just select all the way around the image. And then again, I can just use my move tool and cut them straight out, or I can just Command X to cut out, or then Command V to paste it. Another one is called the magnetic lasso tool, and this one's really cool. I use it all the time. Magnetic lasso tool is just going to detect the edge of your photograph, and then you can actually click and select it, or you can just go around the edge. It will create the selection for you. So you can see, you can go around the rock, and then you can select the whole rock right there, okay? So just kind of go back and select it carefully. If you have a Wacom pad, it will be really helpful instead of using the track pad on your laptop. Okay, so I strongly recommend you guys to go purchase Wacom pad. It's WACOM, Wacom pad. And I do like the Bluetooth, so make sure you get that. And now you can cut out the selection. Again, you can move around